Loving Ivy Farm. This is, we have a break in the rain. We actually have sun. So we've had rain for about the last 3 days. And it's interesting till I've got some weird colored leaves on my tomato plant. And I think that means too much rain, possibly. So I'm going to have to go through and probably take all those off. So I'm trying not to cast a shadow. Yes, I just trimmed that 3 days ago. All this rain has caused it to like really take off. Yeah, I've got little things to make down in here. All right, what we got on here? I've got lots of squash growing in there, lots of flowers. Which may not. That one has got lots of bumps on it. Can you all see that? Good. Okay. There's my corn. Hard to believe that I just planted that like 2 months ago. And I've got the males are coming up. We have about, see, I have a split down here so that it can drain out, but apparently that's just not enough. So I have to fix that. Oh, hello, little one. You got it? Yeah? Shake this over in here. Shake it over in here. Shake it over in here. Yes, make sure everything gets pollinated correctly. You see that? The lower leaves? Too much rain. And I do have holes in the bottom of them, about an inch and a half above. See? Got some things taken off, but some of these things are getting really leggy. That one is doing well. Oh, that bloom that was on the watermelon plant has died, apparently. Okay, we've got some blooms on this. Sweet peas are growing up. There we go. They're liking the rain. This one fell over, so I have a temporary fix for it. Oh. Okay. There we go. We got a yellow leaf off that. Let me toss that. Okay. Just a lot. We had just tons and tons of rain, and we've got tons and tons of more rain coming. Are you going up in the fence the wrong way? Yes, it looks like it. You're in the corner, and that can get you hurt. So we're going to do this. Put you over here. There we go. You can go up for me. Can you go up for me? Yeah, there we go. All right. So that's my little garden update right now. I need to get these guys into some pots. And I think that is chicory. I didn't realize I planted so much chicory. So, and unfortunately, my outside kitty litter box is full of water. And yeah, it's got holes in the bottom too. So, interesting. Too much rain. Way too much rain. You are going to bolt. You are going to bolt, aren't you? Yes. All right. Well, that's my little garden update. If you got any ideas, I was thinking about, we got 3 more days of rain coming. See, I've got these purple leaves. And, oh, here comes the rain again. Falling on my head like a man. Sorry about that. I do have my first tomato. Hello, little tomato. So I don't really want to. Oh, I got another one right there. Oh, 2 more right there. What I might do is I have an old clear shower curtain. Some blooms going there. I might cover it for the next 3 days. Well, the squash is liking all the rain. That's good. And my corn seems to be doing okay. This is the first time I've ever planted corn in a container. So, on all of my previous attempts of planting corn, and I've gotten like hominy looking corn. But that concerns me. To me, that's telling me that there's too much rain, too much water. So, well, hi guys, my chickens and my guineas. I have 2 hens that have hatched out, or that went broody. And let's go take a peek at them and see if you can see the baby chicks. One hen, she was on the older eggs, and she's hatched out 3 successfully so far. Hey, Blue. How do you do, Blue? So that's Blue. And that big girl there is Gabby. And that's her sister, Echo. Yeah. There's Pie. She's a pied guinea, so I named her Pie. And the little small one over there, that's Una. Una had a sister, but Una's sister got killed by one of their dogs. And she flew into their outside pen. Hi, hush puppies. Hi, hush puppies. Okay, it might be a little bit dark in here. Let's see. It makes it. Get down in here. Hi. Hi, where's your babies? Hmm? Can I see your babies? You're gonna hide them from me, are you? Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's see if we can get the babies to come out. Come on, babies. No, you can't go in there. Come on, Mama. Quiz up. Here, Wayne. This one. She had black and 2 white. She hatched out a black and 2 white chicks. And she wanted to go broody, but last year she killed 2 of her babies. They were born late. Mama, can I see your babies? Turn off. Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me? Whoa! Yes! Come on. Come on. Yeah. Son, where's your baby? Come on. Up, 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 up. Let me see. There. Yep. Okay. Another hers. Ah. Wish I had a little taller brooding pens. There we go. Let's check these out. Looks like I need to collect eggs. Come here, Mama. Come here. We just want to see your babies. Oh, no, don't peck me. I want to see. I want to see. Come here. Oh, there. Hello. Okay. Ow. I'm going to get back up. Oh. Yeah. I said. See if I got any guinea. No guinea eggs. I've got to clean this out too. This cleaning out the coops and stuff is getting a little hard with my back issue. So anyway, so we got 3, 4 so far. 4 new baby chicks. Hey, dude. It's my old rooster. He's about 4 years old. Hi, dude. What you doing? So you can see he is a farm bred. He is he's Americana and Barred Rock. Can't get any more gorgeous than that. Yeah. All right. Anyway, that's the update for the garden. I hope you enjoy it. If you got any suggestions for, I don't know, maybe I should drill some more holes in the bottom of the bins. So even the squash plant over there, it's like some of the leaves aren't quite as good as the other one, that one. Let me take a look at that leaf. It's got a funny thing on it. Let's see what we can find. You see this? I haven't really had an issue with bugs that I've been able to see so far. Look at these blooms. This bloom is just like, just fell down. Got it? No bugs. But I think too much water. Yep. Oh, anyway, ta-ta from Kentucky.